Hello, I'm in a 2011 Audi A4, and I'm going to show you how to reset your oil change interval. So when you either start the car or put it in the on position, you should see something that says like service due, maybe a little oil can symbol, something like that. See if I can get it to do it, because this one is due for it. But either way, it should pop up here, and then you can change to reset it. Here we go, service due right here. So once your car's booted up, I believe you have to just have it in the on position and not all the way on. But we'll push car here to get to this menu. So we're in car, and then we're going to use this toggle to scroll between the options and pushing this to select. So you can use this option here, oil level, to just see if it's reading that you have enough oil in the motor. And then we'll just scroll down to service interval display, because that's how you reset if, say, you just got an oil change. So here's all your info, and you scroll down to reset, and then select if you want to reset. Are you sure you want to? You hit yes, and then that's it, and then it would reset it and save it. Since this is still due for when I don't want to reset it. But that's it. You just go through that and then hit yes, and that's it. I hope this was helpful today, and hope you have a wonderful day.